Welcome to HWM Aston Martin. Today for you we've got this beautiful September 22 DBS Coupe. This car has travelled just over 1,000 miles from new and obviously has the benefits of a 5-year service plan. This particular vehicle, I mean for me, is a really gorgeous colourway. It's just a very sort of simple spec with the right options on the car and just giving you that sort of quite classic Aston and sort of stealthy look to the vehicle. So exterior colour wise we have Onyx black, which is sort of a nice flecked black. It's a beautiful sort of metallic colour and really sort of sets off the carbon fibre lower body package that we have on this vehicle. We also have a gloss black upper package. Not that that makes a huge difference on this car, but that does give you the gloss black mirror caps and also the roof strake as well. The roof is a match to body colour. Moving around sort of the front of the vehicle, over the last sort of couple of years or so, the Superleggera badges have sort of gone from the front of the vehicles, but that's not to say that you can't just have them fitted on the front there. We also have the gloss black badges on the front of the vehicle along with the script on the back, which we will show you shortly. And quite unusually, I do quite like these vehicle wheels, sorry. We got the shadow chrome multi-spoke wheel on the side, and as you can probably see, just really offers a nice look to this vehicle, and the colour is very similar to that of the carbon that's on the front and the back of the vehicle. You can see the DBS badging on the side. We have that in gloss black as well as the gloss black side louvre as well. On the back of the vehicle we have clear rear glass around the back, so you can see that beautiful black and white interior. And we also have the smoked rear lights on the back of the vehicle along with the black tail tips on the back, which is a standard feature for DBS. But what I thought I'd do is give you a little bit of a look around and then we'll show you through on the interior. So the interior of the car is where the majority of the options have been specified on this car. So we have an Inspire Duo interior on this vehicle, so that will give you the semi-aniline leather. So the first colour we have here is Onyx black, finished with an ivory duotone. So a very subtle detailing on the seats and also on the rear seats, but not much else in here. We also have the ivory welting around the armrest and also on your door cards, as well as your contrast ivory stitching throughout the interior, not just on the door cards but the dash and also the seats and the headlining on this car. We have a dark chrome jewellery pack, which is a standard feature for DBS, and that will give you the speaker covers, the door pulls, and also your paddles and your dash centre waterfall as well, so that will be in a dark chrome finish. Being an Inspire interior, we also have the heated and cooled seats, along with the adjustable lumbar and bolster on the seats as well. We have also got an Alcantara steering wheel in this vehicle, and more importantly, if you like your music, we also have the 1000-watt B&O stereo system in this car. So becoming an unusual option to see throughout the Aston range, but people that obviously like their music will specify that option on the vehicle. The trim inlay we've got is the 2x2 satin twill, so again sort of matches the exterior body package of this car and just brings some of that flavour through onto the interior. But if there's any more details you want on this vehicle, do give us a call here at the showroom, or you can visit our website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk.